Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to discuss string slicing. Okay, string slicing means the part of a string is called string slicing. Okay, the part of a string is called string slicing. The syntax of the string slicing is variable name, start index, and end index. Okay, this is the simple friends. The part of a particular string is called string slicing. The syntax of the string slicing is the variable name, square brackets, start index, and end index. Okay, we will see with examples. Okay, we will see with the examples. Here, I am taking one variable name. Okay, here I am taking one variable name that is A. Okay, suppose here I am taking one string that is high. Okay, that is high. See here, what is the syntax is mentioned? Variable name. Okay, what is syntax is mentioned? Variable name. Okay, variable name. Index. What is index? See here, first letter. Okay, the first letter indicates. Okay, the index means that is the internal storage. Index is the first. Here the index of h is equal to 0. The index of h is equal to 0. Here the index of I is equal to 1. The index of I is equal to 1. Okay, the index of h is equal to 0 and the index of I is equal to 1. For suppose here I want to change the string. Okay, here I want to change the string. Suppose here I am giving Python. Okay, Python is a string. Here the index of p. Okay, index here the index of p. See here, the index of p is 0 and the index of y is 1. The index of t is 2. The index of h is 3. The index of o is 4. The index of n is 5. This is the indices. Okay, the singular name is index and the plural name is indices. Okay, see these are the indices of Python. The index of first character is 0. Here not only this string, if you have any sentence, not only word, through overall the sentence including spaces also. See here, the first character of index is always 0. Okay, the first character of index is always 0 and based on the second character one, third character, the length of the here, the length of the string, the last index is equal to, the length of the string minus 1. Okay, the length of the string minus 1. For an example, see here, length is equal to length of the string. Okay, length of this string is equal to, here how many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters are there. Okay, 6 characters are there. Here the last index. Okay, the last index of this string is equal to the length minus, okay, length minus 1. Length minus 1 means here how much will come? 6 minus 5. 6 minus, sorry, 6 minus 1, 5. The last index is equal to 5. The last index is equal to 5 and the first index is always 0. Not only this one, if you take any string, the first index is always 0. The last index is equal to the length of the string minus 1. Okay, the length of the string minus 1. See friends, keep in mind, index means the first character index is always 0. Okay, the first character index is always 0. The last character index is always length minus 1. Okay, first character. Okay, first index 1. Index means first index is always 0 and the last index is the length of the, okay, length of the string, minus 1. The last index is the length of the string minus 1. Okay, suppose in the The space is having in between the double quotes, that is also coming under the index. Okay, that is also coming under the index. Suppose now previous the length of the string is equal to 6. Now I add one space. The length of the string is equal to, the length of the string is equal to 7. The length of the string is equal to 7. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, have a look. Suppose length is equal to a len of a. Then print print length. See how much will come. 7 characters are there. Suppose here I am removing space. 6 characters scale. Okay, 6 characters scale. This is, friends, this is the string slicing. Okay, I hope you understand what is the string slicing, and what is the starting index, and what is the ending index. Okay, simple. Suppose finally I will take one word, python world. Python world. Okay, python world. See the total string length, how much. First see the here the first index is always p, and the last index is always d. Okay, I already told you last index means length minus 1. How much will come? See here, the last index is equal to the length of the character is equal to 12. The last index is equal to 11. Okay, the last index is equal to 11. I hope this is the string slicing concepts, friends. Next, in the next class, we will discuss how to print the part of the string. Okay, how to print the part of the string. Okay, I hope you understand this class. If you understand, please like the video. If any mistakes are there, please give comments. I will rectify those mistakes. Okay, I hope. Thank you so much, friends.